Alright, how is everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for everyone. And this evening what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Mpow M9 Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, so what we're going to do this evening in this video is I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by 2 audio sample tests. One test is going to be a leakage test, and in the other test I'm going to attempt to give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. Alright? Okay, now just so everyone knows what the setup is, y'all can see I do have the earbuds already connected up to my Pixel XL first generation. So if I swipe down on the notification shade here and we get it to focus, you can see that they are already paired up to my Pixel XL here. Alright, you can see it right there. Okay, and let me just show y'all real quick in terms of the volume. I do have it already set to 100% volume, as you can see there, so the volume is maxed out. Okay, just so everyone knows what the setup is. And recording all the audio this evening, I am using my lapel clip-on microphone right there, as y'all can see in the secondary camera. So when I try to give y'all an audio sample, we're gonna hold it up directly to this microphone right here. Okay, so good stuff. That's the setup. Now let's get into the testing. Now before we get into the fitting test, all right, I just wanted to show y'all a real good close-up as best I can of the earbuds. So if you would please direct your attention to the B-roll that you're going to see up on screen right now. Hopefully you get a nice crisp close-up of the earbuds. And honestly, I got to tell y'all, I really do like the way these earbuds look. Alright, good stuff indeed there. So check that out. Check that out. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright, now moving on, what I want to do now is give y'all a nice fitting demonstration. Now for reference, I am using the stock tips that came on the buds, and I do have the buds already in my ears. I don't know if y'all could tell, and you can see from a distance they actually look very good, very discreet, very minimalistic. Okay, so you almost can't even tell I have them in my ears. Now up close, you can indeed notice that I do have the earbuds in my ears here. Okay, so check that out. And I do apologize for the lighting this evening. Alright, but y'all let me know what you think. So here is the left, right here. And here is the right here. Okay, check that out, check that out. Let's do it one more time. Here's the left. Okay, and here's the right. Okay, and in terms of sound isolation, I have to say these are pretty good. Even with no music playing, I can barely hear myself talk right now. And once I push play on the music, I guarantee you I won't be able to hear anything but what I'm listening to. But the overall fit on these, I feel is really good indeed. Alright, and in terms of the comfort level, these are really good as well. Alright, so now let's get into the audio testing, and let's start off with the leakage test. So let's go ahead and push play. Now we got one tap, play and pause, so we're just going to use the earbuds. Alright, and here we go. Let me know what y'all pick up. Ooh. Hold on. Pause. Let me pause this. Ah. Ah. Woo-wee. Yes. Yes. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm trying to hear when we talk about bass, when we talk about sound quality. Boy, I'm trying to hear that right there. Whew, okay, let me gather my thoughts. Whew, okay. Now, in terms of the overall sound quality, yes, these are really good. In terms of the overall volume, okay, again, I don't have enough thumbs. These are really good as well. And in terms of the overall bass and instrument separation, again, these are really good. Now, it is a little bit muddy on the bass, but it's very deep and it does add a nice level of depth. And overall, I really like it. So in terms of the sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these, good stuff. Top notch in my opinion. Alright? So y'all let me know, were y'all able to pick up any leakage coming off the earbuds from that first test? Alright? Y'all let me know. Now let me rewind the track. And we're going to push play again, and I'm going to hold it up to the microphone and see what we can pick up. So let me push play. Alright, and let me hold it up to the microphone now. Okay, that should do it. Push pause on the music here. So there you guys and gals have it. Real quick leakage test, a real quick audio sample. Let me know what y'all think about the overall performance of these earbuds right here. Alright, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. As always, if you did enjoy the video, y'all know what to do. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.